said I understood, but did not care who said. It's a crazy ass sound. There's something's over there. I'm gonna grab the video camera out of the Zodiac and walk over there in a minute. It's around the point. It's an animal. Whatever it is, it's something. That's a crazy ass sound. Let me get through this and I'm gonna go over there. I caught the sound. It's over on that island. Sounds like it's in the timber. I think I got it on the other camera. It's right there. The creepiest frickin' sound I've ever heard in my frickin' life. I don't know what it is. I'll wait here for a little bit longer and see if I can't catch it. I've been scanning it with the video zoomed in. I can't see shit. Killing the doe, it started walking towards me. It walked about 10 feet and stopped, looking straight up at me. If his stare could kill, I'd be dead. He then opened his mouth and let out, looking towards me. It walked about 10 feet and stopped, looking straight up at me. If his stare could kill, I'd be dead. He then opened his mouth and let out a loud scream. I remember seeing his canine teeth very distinctly. He then turned slightly and started moving up the ridge, carrying the doe like we would carry a small duffel bag. I watched him walk over the ridge and heard him scream once again. I sat in the stand for at least 2 hours, afraid he would be waiting for me because somehow his stare and scream seemed to be letting me know that he did not want me here. That bear literally just came out right behind where I was videotaping from. Crazy. Shit, you better go down to the boat. It's a pretty big bear. Oh, smelling it. Don't even think about it.